Stop. Leave my eyeglasses alone now. You. My Tigres. She's a marmalade pussycat mama. She just loves me. She won't take no for an answer. She's got to have like a half an hour of shoulder time every morning, this cat. She didn't get it this morning, so she keep jumping on me. I had to put this on because she literally... Hey, watch it! These claws, she keeps even right through 3 layers of clothing, 4 layers of clothing. She still makes me bleed. She better cut it out, you. I know you love me. I know you love me. You ought to hear her purring. Yes, I know. Yeah, she's a happy mama pussycat. She's a happy girl. Mm-hmm. Hey, you bite my nose? That was supposed to be a kiss. Meow. She's a good girl. And let me see. Flip. Can I flip? Oh, I can't flip it around? In this mode, huh? I love you. You stay off my eyeglasses. Let me take them. Yeah. You're a good girl. I love you. I saved this pussycat. She loves me so much. And me, I love her too. I love you too, honey. Yes. You're a good girl. You want to get up? What do you want to do? Oh, yeah, she wants to get off. I could tell. There she goes. And there she is. Okay, that's it.